Distance. In order to read the distance between 2 points on a sectional chart, the scale at the top of the front side of the radiostata navigation circle must be used. On the scale below the mark, the distances in nautical miles picked up with the tips of the two legs of the navigation circle can be read. Flight time. In order to determine the time of flight, use the tips of the navigation circle to pick up the distance between two waypoints. Subsequently, read the time required in minutes for your intended speed on the mounted concentric circle scale below the label. Heading. To determine the heading, use the radiostata navigation circle with the back positioned on a sectional chart in such a way that the leg with the aircraft symbol comes to rest on the course line and the aircraft symbol and the line with the word intended track shows in the desired direction of flight. The second leg is to be rotated in such a way that the line drawn through the entire middle of the navigation circle and the lines are parallel to a meridian in the sectional chart, and the word meridian north defines true north. The heading is shown on the mark, readable exactly to 1 degree. Opposite track. The opposite track can easily be determined in a single step with the previously described method for determining the heading. Read the opposite track on the radiostata navigation circle at the designated opposite track marker where it meets the scale. Speed measurement. The ground speed can be determined when using the radiostata navigation circle in combination with a sectional chart. The time for a distance covered is known and the route is taken from the sectional chart by means of the tips of the navigation circle. For this purpose, the known time on the mounted concentric circle scale below the label must be determined and assigned to their respective speed. Path time measurement. When speed and distance are known, the time needed for this distance can be derived by using the scales on the front side of the navigation circle. In addition, when speed and time elapsed are known, the exact position on the sectional chart as well as the time remaining can be determined. Circle template and ruler. The upper region of the leg holds a hole with a diameter of 10 mm designed as a circular template. This circular template is surrounded by a cross line which serves as a centering aid. Using this hole permits track points to be outlined in the sectional chart with a circle.